Hi guys, welcome back to another weekly outlook. I know market's already open, but I'm going to do a quick outlook for EU, GU, AU, and US30 for the oncoming weeks. I already did mine for the VIP for EU, so I'm just going to run through this quickly. On the daily, this is my daily swing leg. Obviously, we're still in this rangy bit, but we haven't tapped into the 50% of the premium discount, so we can see higher pricing. 4 hour demand is holding at the moment. This is the target because that's the high that needs to be broken to confirm that we're still going bullish. We reacted off this 1 hour. And internally we are bullish at the moment. So if I shift down to the 1 hour, as you can see, this is the 1 hour swing leg. In between we've had a 15-minute, we reacted a 15-minute demand. So obviously this would be the 1 hour target because it's bullish. On the 15-minute though, we've had a change of character or a breakdown internally to the downside on the 15-minute. So the 15-minute supply is here at the moment. So obviously this is the leg that's protected. This is the protected and this is the target. However, we might see price reacting here, and obviously going down, or it can go higher. But we'll see what happens overnight. And then obviously if it comes back lower here, then the 15-minute demand might react and then break to the downside. So we'll see what happens. But right now, these are my areas. So the 15-minute demand, 15-minute supply, the 15-minute target, but the 1 hour target is here. Obviously the 1 hour would be holds more weight because obviously it's on a higher time frame and we are bullish on the higher time frame. And then this is the 4 hour target, which is all the way up there, which is a swing point. So yeah, that's my view on EU at the moment. So let's quickly go down to GU. I haven't traded GU in a hot minute. Let me delete everything. On the daily, we're still bearish, as you can see. Daily breaks of structure. Oops, daily breaks of... What the heck? Daily breaks of structure. This would be my swing, because that's the highest point and lowest point. We're in 50% at the moment. Can I see anything clear on here? So I guess this would be my daily supply, which tapped into it yesterday, on Friday, I believe. So that's why there's this massive wick. Let's go on the 4 hour. 4 hour internally, we are bullish, as you can see. Break up. Oops. Break up. And as you can see, we've had the most recent break up, but with no body candle, and we've also shifted down here. It's like a 4 hour change of character. So let me just mark that change of character on. But it's the first tap, so I do expect it to get tapped into this 4 hour perhaps. Really. Yeah, to sweep that high because that's the first tap, and then probably something in between there. If I go on the 1 hour, let's check. Yeah, we can see strong breaker structure. 15-minute. 15-minute, this would be the flip. Mm, 15-minute. But we'd like to see how it reacts from here before taking any trades, but obviously I would like this to be swept because this would be early sellers. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. But I don't think this... Let me see if I can refine it down on the 15M on this side. had the sweep, and then a change of character here. And then this is the first respect of demand on supply on the 15-minute. We've got so many blue boxes. And then I would say it broke here. So this would be the supply range, but there's a supply there. Okay, let's see. Oops. Why is it not going up? I get over. Oh god, how far away is it? Yeah, so this is the 15 minutes. So I do expect it to come back higher before going any lower. So that's GU. As you know, I don't really trade these pairs, so obviously I don't have much to say about them. All this built up liquidity, so this would be the target, which is also the daily target for sells. The long term AU, don't know what's happening here. I need to clear my charts. Start on the daily again. Daily is also bearish. However, this is the most recent leg. Premium discount. I've just tapped into the premium. But is there something clean in here? So either there's this extreme, and then there's one here. But I think we can refine it down because that's quite big. 4 hour. Oh, that's a nice area actually at the top. This 4 hour. Because it swept and then broke structure here. And then it just about tapped into it. So yeah, this is gonna be used as liquidity. So expect something higher and then lows. Internally, you can see we're bullish. This is the last demand that's holding at the moment. Demand. I think it got swept just by a little bit. Yeah, but this is the demand that's holding at the moment. Internally, we've had a shift as well, but I would say this would be the swing to break. 15-minute. Shift here. To be honest, I'm just gonna look for buys into here, wait for it to sweep, and then actually let me just check if there's any 15 minute in this 4 hour because it's quite massive. Last demand area. Tapped into it. So this is the whole supply range, which is quite big. Let me go down the time frame to see. It's not loading now. Okay. Oh, that's a nice 10-minute here. So yeah, maybe I'll look for that 10-minute refine to be hit. Supply. Sorry for this long drag. Just waiting for it to be set. Yeah, so it still has a chance to go back up. To be swept and then obviously come lower. But at the moment, this is the whole supply range. Had I talked in, I think it swept a little bit there. So this is the whole range that I would be looking to buy from, which is currently in at the moment. Oh, that's 10 minutes. Okay, let me see if I can refine it down. So this would be the refine 5 minutes. So let's see if we have anything, if we get anything here. But obviously I won't be monitoring it during the week. But this is the whole area you can look for. Because basically it's in the area now. So unless you want to wait for it to get swept here and then look for buys, that's valid as well. But yeah, target would be here. Well, here minimum to take out this high. Because it barely touched into it. Okay, that's my view. Just a quick little video. Moving on to US30. We're just moving quite nicely. Daily again, still in a bearish trend like every other market that we've looked at so far. Obviously the daily would be here, which we're in at the moment. Just give me 1 second actually. Okay, sorry, I'm back. Daily is here, and then obviously we've had a shift in daily. But let's see on the 4-hour. Okay, that's the daily shift. But yeah, 4 hours bullish at the moment. In this 4-hour supply there, but internally we are bullish. So we do this break, and then currently this is a small break. But yeah, this might not hold, so we might go into something like this extreme up here. It looks quite nice. But yeah, bullish on US30 at the moment. I don't really see much going on. Because it would be... Because look at this price action. Oh, that's during Asia. There's not much I can say about US30, to be honest. Had this push up. Because we're focusing on current price action at the moment. 15-minute demand holding. Had a breakout structure within. And then obviously once it entered, hit that demand, it broke there as well. And then it's just following bullish order flow. So at the moment you would... Oh, this is not hit yet. Okay, so there's something we can trade from. Why's my laptop going crazy? Okay, ignore the fans. It's just at the moment. But let me just make this quick before... Let me just let it calm down. Hold on. Okay, it's cooled down now, so I'm back. Yeah, so this is a nice 15-minute demand with some inducement there, so we could look for some more longs here. Because let me just check if there's anything on the 15-minute on the left. We have this respect of supply. I'm not even gonna bother changing the colors, to be honest, because you guys will know what I'm talking about. And then obviously something in here. That's not really that clean, to be honest. Because these are just wiki. Yeah, okay, there's nothing clean. It's just this wick. I'm just gonna use this wick. Because like I said before, wicks always have shit in them. So that would be the target for buys. Where's it gone now? Okay. If I can reach. Because we're quite close to it, as you can see. Oops. But not really, because obviously we'll have to wait for it to push down and then go up again. So yeah, that's my 15-minute view. So obviously you want to follow what price is doing at the moment, which is going up, trending up. So yeah, because obviously all this will eventually get run. So hopefully if it reacts from here or somewhere in this area and wants to sell off, then this would be the end goal target to align with higher time frame. Actually, not even there, it's here. Because obviously we're overall bearish, even on the daily. So we want to follow the trend. So that's all for my outlook this week. The sound quality will be better next week because I bought a mic, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, so let's all have a good trading week and hopefully you all smash it. And I can't wait to hear about it. Thanks, bye.